Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to joint a chicken, just to separate the legs, the breasts, the wings. Personally speaking, I would encourage you, if you're not already doing it, to buy a whole chicken rather than chicken pieces, because the whole chicken is a lot better, it's fresher. The whole chicken retains a nutrient better when it's whole than the pre-cut chicken, because obviously with it being pre-cut you lose a lot of the nutrients. So you're better off buying the whole chicken where you actually retain the nutrient better from a whole chicken. The whole chicken also, you will find it has fewer touch points than the pre-cut chicken. With the pre-cut chicken, because it's been pre-cut, there's a lot of touch points on there, and therefore it's susceptible to bacteria. Whereas you'll find a whole chicken, it's a lot better, it's a lot fresher. Whole chicken is usually cheaper than a pre-cut chicken. A pre-cut chicken, you do increase the chances of bacteria with it being pre-cut. Also contamination. Pre-cut chicken, as I said, does go bad quite quickly because of the oxidation when the chicken is pre-cut. So if you can get yourself a whole chicken, you'll be a lot better for doing that, and you'll actually taste the freshness of the chicken, which is a lot better. And it's also easier to cut your own chicken than to buy it pre-cut. It's a good way of boosting your skill and your confidence by doing your chicken yourself. So I'm going to start off, obviously what I do with the chicken to separate it, what I do, I tend to pinch the skin in between the breasts and the legs, so that you don't cut into the flesh. You want to just separate the legs and the breasts. Do with the chicken now, chicken breast, quite a huge chicken breast, and you can see I'm going to cut that in half. and then you got your wings. Okay, so there you have your whole chicken all portioned up, and you can do a variety of dishes with that, and that will be a lot cheaper, a lot easier. You just practice and you become better and more skillful. Thank you. Please subscribe to the work that I'm doing. Thumbs up, place a comment, that will be much appreciated, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.